Short hair shave size is finally back. So let's jump right in. I already have my leave out sectioned out and I'm gonna oil my scalp. I've been natural for about 3 to 4 years, so it's time to get that relaxer. You already know I love my sides to be super sleek, so we have to apply that relaxer. To rinse out my relaxer, I use this ISO Plus. I also used this silicone mix argan oil shampoo, my Joico, you already know, and my Extreme pack. And I also use this hair fertilizer. Now I'm gonna apply this Adore Jet Black rinse to my hair because the bundles are dyed jet black. I sectioned out my leave out, braided down my hair, applied a weaving net for added security when I'm sewing down these bundles. These are the bundles. I'm gonna leave the vlog up above in the cards just to show you exactly how I prepared the bundles for the install. I decided to sew the tracks in a circular motion because I wanted to be able to wear the hair all the way up in a ponytail, but depending on how you want your tracks to lay, you can either lay them to the right, to the left, or going straight back. I decided to do this short hair shave side sew in because I didn't want to bond in any hair since I was going on my honeymoon and I was going to a hot climate like the Bahamas. So if you want to bond in this style, it probably will be quicker and easier, but I took the time to sew them down because I'd be getting in the water. I almost fit in all 4 bundles, but I have like maybe a foot of track left. Now I'm adding product to the hair and I just wanted to see what the curl pattern would give. I've never worked with this texture before. So I'm just adding some, I believe this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse. And I'm going to work in sections because I've never worked with this texture before, like I said, and I wanted to make sure that every curl had enough product on there. And I didn't want to speed up this process, just to let you guys know, like, I was working for these curls. So I kept it in real time. So this is where the short hair shave size comes to life. I have not cut my hair, like I said, in like 3 to 4 years. So just to see him cutting my sides, I was excited. I don't look excited because when he's cutting my hair, he doesn't play any games. He's like, boo, sit down, let me get this done. So yeah, but he's just using a 3 guard at first, and then he switched to a number 2 guard, but I don't believe I showed you guys that. So this is like the initial cut, and then he cuts it down a little bit more, and then he shapes me up. So this is the next day. Because this was such a long process, I relaxed my hair. I actually sewed in the bundles and I got my hair cut all in the same day. So it was just a long day for me. So I decided to just come back the next day and style it like officially. So I'm just going to add a few layers. And I'm gonna cut layers on both sides because if I'm wearing it on the right, I want it to give, and if I wear it on the left, I want it to give. So yeah. Now it's time to slick these sides. I'm done layering. So if you are familiar with any of my short hair shave side tutorial, I will definitely leave it in the card above. You would know that if my sides are not slick and sleek, something's wrong. So I'm gonna take my time and make sure that my line is crisp and my sides are laid. And of course, I'm gonna go in with a wrap strip. I didn't take my band today because I couldn't find it, but I got it for the next tutorial, okay? So just stay tuned. Those two, chef's kiss. Okay, so there's no short hair tutorial without makeup because I need to see how the face is going to sit with the new style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to reactivate the mousse that we already have in the hair. I kept the roots of the hair dry so I could keep its volume. I added this mousse just for shine. Like I said, I didn't want the roots to be wet because it gives it volume. You see how it just sits up and looks super cute? I'm actually obsessed and I feel like I'm going to revisit this style but with some different hair, and I love it and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm going to show you some ways that you can wear this hair because it's so versatile. Like I could wear it to the left, I could wear it to the right, I could wear it straight back, I could wear it in a ponytail, and also I can do like this cute little pin-up style with a butterfly clip. I actually did do that in the Bahamas. And this style did come in handy for the heat and for me getting in the water and in the pool. So I was able to pin it up and still look presentable and cute. I'm just obsessed with the hair, and the quality of the hair is really good too. Like, curly hair is a 10 out of 10 for the summertime, you already know. But like, I could wear it like that, just super cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed my short hair shave sides sew-in tutorial. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.
You should just know, babe. You should just know. I've been thinking about it, praying for the week and make it run away. Looking for reasons for me to skip a plea. Sorry if the words I say they cut you deep. I ain't trying to do something that I don't mean. I say I'm done, I'm leaving, and you say don't run, I'm leaving the next day. But I would die